I am pregnant.
One thing that is certainly true is that I will always be the oldest and you will always be the youngest child. Don't get too excited. We're only 1 year apart.
Before I formed you in your mother's womb, I knew you. When the sperm is disposed to meet the egg, it is going through the uterus to the fallopian tube, and they go in millions. Once God speaks into your life, God cannot lie. He cannot repent upon his words. He's spoken. Sometimes you may think, oh, I don't think he knows me. Before you were born, I sanctified you. A lot of people are doing it today, killing people now and then because of who they are. Do you mean someone like Abel walked in his destiny? This blessed me so much. Since I saw this revelation, I'm so comfortable.